Okay, this is Orji FlyOver here in Imo State, Owerri. And this is a night view of this beautiful flyover here. In case I want to tell you over there before or too long, you came to Owerri. This is a night view of flyover, Orji FlyOver. Down here, that's it. Let's climb the flyover. This Indomie shop, mobile Indomie shop. That's it. There's a flyover here. Okay, now. In case it's been long, we came to Owerri, or you're still in Owerri. We don't know how the night view of flyover, Orji flyover looks like. This is it. Here's a night view of Orji FlyOver. See, here's a down view of flyover. It's still lively. Up to this time, it's still lively. People are still buying and selling. People are still going out and there's different businesses. This is Eastgate Hotel. Okay, and over here, there is a glass house. One of the tallest buildings in Owerri, and one of the first. Okay, these priceless stores. It's my guy that took me. They wonder what they do. Okay, there's a view here. From here you're heading towards Wedra. This Wedra Road. Wedra people. This smart. This is Orji FlyOver. As you can see, we're still buying and selling. Let's go down to the other side. Whispers of your tenderness through time zones. Just stay with me. Through emptiness. Stay with me. In that lonely room, fear clawed the air. Yet you stood tall, aflame against despair. I drown in crowds, laughter hollow and thin. This Bismarck Transport Company. Right. This is specialized stores. This is wonderful flamingo fast food. Oh, darling, don't you see? The brightest star lives in your heartbeat. Your fire those winters in the veins. This is the Majesty Hotel. Over there is going towards Chukmore. Want to look at Chukmore? I just down there. Chukmore and by Ebu Road MCC. That is over there. This is Sweeties fast food. This flyover is actually very light. These are that sort of flyover. This is heading towards Orji. Want to locate Orji? This is it. Orji going to Kedrata. This is it. Want to locate that. Want to go to Okigwe. This is it. This is it. Amo was a couple down there. Down there. So let me take you to the other flyover, the Amakara flyover. Let me take you to the Amakara flyover. Let's go down to the Amakara flyover. Over this side, you see, you get Save More supermarket, crutches, fast food, and other big investments. This is Eastgate Hotel. It's a glass house. One of the first and tallest buildings in the West. So the night view is actually wonderful. It's actually great. The night view of this Orji FlyOver is wonderful. It's great. Stay with me. Let's get down to the Amakara flyover.